Readings are now all booked up, but I am doing something called the Sunday night tarot salon, where I'm just going to be taking questions. So you could ask one question. Keep in mind, there's going to be other people on there. So, I want to keep it so everybody gets their turn. Also, if you want to ask questions about tarot reading, about how you read certain tarot, that's fine. It's like kind of like a open door policy. All right. Every Sunday night, I'm be doing these Sunday night at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So sorry to those folks who are in time zones who, can't sort of do that, but I will, I'll try to figure out something. But that's my answer to it right now. So there's a link below for Sunday Night Tarot Salon. Also, yeah, all right, we'll just leave it at that for now. Okay, this is October 15th for water sign. Here we go. Let's see what's going on. For you guys. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. What's that about, dudes? Are you winning at the expense of somebody else? Are they winning at the expense of you? This is winners and losers. That's what that card is. Winners and losers. Somebody's hanging on. Oh, dear. Yeah. Earth sign. Earth sign. There you are. You guys are trapped in this weird thing. Oh, isn't that nice? Okay. Okay. Hold on. Overarching energy of the reading. Somebody makes a choice for love here, and it's the right thing, an air sign. If you have an air sign in your life. Or this is you channeling air sign activity. 7 of Wands. There's some resistance here. Let me show you. So, somebody here, I feel like there's somebody reevaluating what they... Page of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles. I don't know if you can see that. Page of Pentacles, 4 of Pentacles, 3 of Swords. So holding on isn't working out so well. There's the devil energy here, being trapped, feeling that difficult energy. It's an earth and a water sign, you guys together here. And then in order to break this log jam, you're going to channel some air, okay? Somebody needs to stop lying. Because look, somebody's getting one over on the other one's resisting them. Somebody needs to stop lying. Tell the truth. 3 of Swords up here. Someone's gotten their heart broken. It was like, I didn't tell the truth because I didn't want to hurt you. Kind of a thing. Or you didn't want to tell the truth because you didn't want to hurt them. Okay, but there's a Queen of Swords here and a Lover's card. Gemini energy, very much airy. That's how you get out of this earth, water business. You need air. And not in a 5 of Swords way. Yes. Okay, okay. Yes, so you're trapped in a commitment. And you're thinking about how to get out of it. Somebody's trapped in a commitment. How to get out of it, how to get away, because 8 of Swords is like the lower octave of the devil. Same card. So you've got Hierophant, Hermit. Someone is trying to shed light on this relationship. How do I get out of this? How do I get out of this? And Queen of Swords, so someone wants to just escape. One of you just wants to run away. The other person is actually employing wisdom. Earth energy here. Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. The earth sign might be employing logic, but they might be the one who's stuck. You might not feel that way about this, but nevertheless, heartbroken. So someone is lying here. Stop lying. Who's ever lying in this case, if you feel like you're the one who's lying, like to please someone else, lying is like a really strong word for not being authentic. Okay? There's real authenticity here in devil energy, in hermit energy, and hierophant energy. But you're not doing authentic thing because of a commitment, because of this Queen of Pentacles, because it's comfortable. Okay? Someone's not doing the authentic thing. What is this Lover's card down here? Choice. Queen of Swords, making a decision. Page of Swords. Knight of Cups, Hanged Man. The person who's not telling the truth has another love. Okay, 3 of Swords can be third party, right? Ooh, don't do Uh, don't knock over the whole thing. So the person who has a choice to make, this is about choosing. What was that? This is about choosing in love, okay? The person who has a choice to make is not doing it. They're too dreamy about it. They're not realistic about it. Oh, well, someday it'll just happen. It'll just happen. They're not being realistic about it. They're being immature about it. And they're like choosing to feel stuck instead. You betcha, that's over. It's over. This is over. Ten of Pentacles, this is over. One more. Yeah. Choosing love. Choosing love over money. The person who's stuck, whoever is, there's like man up, man down here. There's, right? See this, like, this is like one guy up and the other two down. This is like one guy up and the other 6 people down there battling him, right? There's man up, man down all over this reading, right? Devil energy, see how they're down below here, above, right? There's all this devil energy. The death energy up on a horse, other people down low. There's this man up, man down feeling. And, you know, honestly, same with the Lovers. Same with the Two of Cups. There's something above. There's something above here. Hierophant. There's some kind of like religious or, you know, hey, I got married to this person. And even though it feels like a devil energy, it's not working. I feel like we have to stick it out. There's that feeling here of, you know, we're going to let other forces sort of channel our behavior because of something, because of some belief in something out there, a belief in God or belief in whatever that will, like, you know, if we get divorced, we'll go to hell without an electric fan or something like that. There's some kind of belief. It's the belief system your family drummed into you. So somebody is not being authentic. They know it, okay? They're enlightened enough to know it. And they're not being authentic. This could be one of you or both of you because of how your family raised you. How your family raised you to see marriage. How your family raised you to see commitments or whatever, even though this is not working out. This is not a good thing. Devil, 8 of Swords. There could be a third party involved here, an air sign. I feel like this is a water and an earth problem together. Water and earth. You're with an earth sign. There's an air sign here who's making a choice for themselves. So you might have an air sign on your side. They might have an air sign on their side. Either way, it's making a choice to move forward. You guys are sort of trapped in this quagmire. The lesson here is about overcoming what your family told you and creating your own belief system. And that's what needs to happen because you're being trapped by a family system, 10 of Pentacles, devil energy, that you were told as a child, okay, you were told as a kid that isn't working for you anymore, okay, and it has to go away. What your family told you about love, when your family told you about commitment or relationship, somehow is not working. And that needs to go away. The one who's being very inauthentic knows they're being inauthentic. All right, if it's you, water sign, or if it's your earth sign that you're connected to, you both feel trapped in different ways. I feel like one of you feels trapped because of money. One of you feels trapped because of love. Like the one who's trapped because of love really wants a lot of love in their life, and they feel like they're trying to get it from this one person. The person who wants to be comfortable, earth sign here, I feel like they're being trapped because of their what their family taught them about marriage. Okay, and they're resistant to move on because of what their family taught them. You're being trapped by old belief systems. but you know it. They know it. Okay? Queen of Swords, Lovers. There's going to be a choice made. Queen of Swords, Lovers is like, grow up. Time to grow up. What do you believe? What do you believe about marriage and relationship? Instead of taking it out on each other, what do you believe? What would make you happy? Trapped by what your parents told you about marriage. And somebody is doing, I believe this is the earth sign. Somebody here is doing good work about trying to figure out what they believe. Okay, you got Death and the Devil here. And you've also got Queen of Swords, Lovers. Okay. So we're going to do an extended read. For those of you who are interested in the Sunday Night Salon, there's a link below. The extended read link is below. I'll see you on the other side.